So if you want to be able to access the network on Exosama, you'll be able to migrate your tokens. So if you have poop tokens, remember the game started as exchnage, the exchange game, and then people swap their assets for poop tokens. Now the network is Sama. So if you want to migrate your tokens, you have to come to this place, multiverse.migrate. So it's nice saying I should change to Sama. So I'll do that. So you can see how many stuff are there. So I'm not, this is how many poop I have. So I say, okay, migrate poop for Sama. It says, okay, approve. To display some stuff. So I say, okay, continue. And, I'll have to sign some transactions here in the MetaMask. So it's asking for my permission. Click confirm. Then it will go through. So it's prompting me to migrate. Click migrate. It's telling me it's gonna be on a one-to-one basis. So you swap one poop for one salmon. So I'll wait for that. And then you get a notification like this: transaction in progress. And this is a link that you can use to search the Mosca. And then you can come here and the moving Mosca. You can see the transaction is still pending. So once it gets approved, you will see it, but it's showing it was in the Moonbeam before. So you can come here, the 500 is not zero. You can even see it in the activities here, which is this 500 poop. Now when you switch your network, so let's switch network. When we switch network to Exosama here, you can see the 500 Sama, so the one-to-one ratio. Now, okay, having moved, you need this token to pay for gas, right? But it's not enough. Having moved, the question you now ask yourself is, what do I need the tokens for? So, can I do some DeFi activities and all that? If you have some better resources that you also have, you can also do all those moving. Now, the Khaos Exchange is one of the first exchanges that has been built on the Exosama network. You can swap tokens and do all of things. So, like as it's here now. So let me connect wallets. Connect any kind of. So you connect your network like this. To show you an example, I will swap, let's say 10 Sama for, let's say, I can use any token. Let's use BSUSD for example. So the pricing part is too high. Let me swap for something else. Let's say blood tokens. Click confirm swap. And it's waiting for the MetaMask, waiting for confirmation. So there is a pop-up here. So I just need to click out. So it says add to MetaMask. If you want to do that, you can do that. But I'll view and explore, but we're not doing that. Save time. So after doing that, the next thing you can do is that you can swap your, you can provide liquidity and earn some liquidity rewards. We will see analytics also. Then we'll also see how we can bridge tokens to the network. Now I can provide liquidity. Now remember I have some blood crystals. Let me enter the. Okay, you can see the equivalent amount. Once you enter the amount, it will be, let's say 2. So I have 10. Click confirm. Then it says confirm adding liquidity. We'll do that. And then the transaction pop-up will come up. So we'll confirm the pop-up. with 10 blocks. The third thing you can do is, remember how we breached Exosama. So this is somebody maybe you have the put token for. But let's say, for example, you want to breach other assets to the Exosama chain. You go to the breach option here, and then you click connect wallet, any Web3 wallet we do. So MetaMask is what we're using at the moment for this example. And then you initiate the connection. So so it's basically like every other process when it comes to the bridging of tokens. You bridge from a particular network, let's say Ethereum to Exosama and the rest of them, or from Exosama to Ethereum or any network. So you can bridge to and from any network thanks to multi-chain. And then the next thing again is you can track analytics on the platform. The liquidity so far. You can see 1 week window, 1 month window, or you can track all the volume of trades so far for that particular day. Like as I hover it around, you see the inception is December 5th. You can see then you can see which liquidity pools are getting, like this is where we provide tokens. You can see that's this liquidity, and this is what has the most liquidity. So when you want to bridge something like USDC, you have to use the bridge. So guys, that's all I have for you now. I showed you how to bridge your point tokens to the Exosama network for Sama. We got 1:1 ratio. I showed you the Khaos Exchange, how to add liquidity, how to swap, how to bridge, and then the monitor analytics on the platform to see which pool have the highest liquidity and volume, and so you can see the fees. Yeah. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much.